honestly, I just don't think that everything that's meant for you is going to be easy for you. Like,
Right.
I don't know where this fairy tale lifestyle came from, but it's not realistic. And as far as it coming from God, I think it's so easy to lead people the wrong way with that message also, because a lot of people don't read the Bible for themselves. A lot of people don't really have their own prayer relationship with God and stuff like that. And I'm, of course, talking about from a Christian aspect. That's why I said the Bible. Whatever your T is, but I know who the Son of God is, okay? Okay. But anyways, I think it's easy to mislead people and for people to really think that, oh, like, yes, you're right. If this is from God and if this is for me, then why would it be this hard? But that's not true. And the only thing I want to highlight with not with the God thing like that, but like on that topic is like, yes, God is not the author of confusion. That's true.
Yes.
But it's never said it was going to be easy.